Hey, welcome everyone, how's it going? Scrembo here with another video on RNDR Price Prediction for late June 2024, guys. Aiming to discover what's happening with this bleeding markets to make sure that we're sitting on the right side and having our decisions made backed up by the markets. I did wanted to share with you a chart first. This is the Crypto Fear and Greed Index, as you can see. And we got a situation here on the right side with a triangle building up and the markets getting into the support area of this specific index chart. A place where we're expecting a reaction just like we did in the past twice, over there and over right there, pumping basically. Now it is a great situation out there to break out of this triangle positively and trigger a movement that could actually drive us into a micro or macro altcoin season. That's something that we could get from this levels, which is why it's very important to consider the charts accordingly with that one. Before we continue, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel, including there is a one-on-one coaching program with me where I'll take you by hand and teach you professionally how to trade. Intensively between 4 to 6 weeks, I perform this out of passion on live conversations, one-on-one. I'll talk about it at the end of the video. You can qualify for a free call with me by register now, including basically the done for you trading. You can participate in my trades without any prior fees, just a commission every 7 days. Let's talk about the current situation, folks. This is where we are. I mean, indeed, RNDR has been retracing big time. It just, went all-time high at some point, but now it's been 31 days non-stop retracements. We've been also taking liquidity from the lows. It is most likely prepared for a reversal. It is also getting in contact with a 200 days moving average that you are actually working with right now, the blue line right there. So it is not a situation that I would intend to be bearish, especially after a sell-off that we have been going through. It is most likely a place where the markets have actually reacted very well back in the day, and we're expecting at least another reaction with a higher low, right? So the upcoming reaction to the upside must be connected with a higher low. If you do that, you're good to go, folks, by breaking the golden pocket from the highs. That's the first thing I'm actually going to target as soon as we build a higher low on the structure. The higher low on the structure must be built above this top right there price section, which means above $8.3, right? So you want to cross that, come back to it, and build a higher low. So then you actually trigger the movement to $11 golden pocket. From here to the $11 straight away is actually a little different. It's 47%. That is the first significant target out there. And the retracement on the $11 is definitely not expected to be that strong. Just a minor pullback back into the structure of 9.5, and you continue basically retesting the highs. This is the bullish scenario out there for this cryptocurrency, which is expected to react at this level. Other than that, if you are missing the reaction, you're just going to collapse basically into the lows of this specific price action structure situated on $4, and that will be quite tremendous, right? In a bull market where BTC went all-time high, for you to do a 71%, 70% retracement, to come from $14 down to $4, imagine the amount of liquidations, the amount of money people will lose, even during this specific context, right? There's a lot of the people that lost in the past 31 days, which is why we have an explosion of new students joining the coaching to learn how to trade correctly and be able to be profitable in the long term in the markets, because otherwise things are just simply vanishing away. That's it, folks, on this side. This is how we're looking like. Of course, being bearish at this level is not only not making sense, but completely in opposite than how trading psychology works. You just not become bearish on a support zone where you had reactions back in the day. You just cannot be like that. Just like you cannot expect basically the markets not to step in at a time massive bullishness is appearing, right? So that's what it is, folks. Make sure to check out the one-on-one coaching and the done for you trading I'm about to present you in details in the upcoming minute. Subscribe to the channel and like this video, folks. Enjoy. And now I would like to talk for those of you that believe in education and care about their performance. So it's time to share more details about my one-on-one coaching program. This is done with me live, where I'll take you by hand just like I said and teach you how to trade from A to Z, which means starting from the mindset psychology side into the technical analysis, understanding the language of the market, encrypting the charts, and being familiar with the language in terms of what does the market communicates with you. Understand the whole process and then know how to react to those messages that the markets are delivering to you guys. Knowing how to react obviously is a sophisticated process. How to trade, when to trade, what to trade, when to exit, how to exit, and how to deal with an active trade. All the situations that are considered complex and a trader needs to know. Whether we talk about part-time or full-time trading, it doesn't matter. What matters is you need to increase your educational level in order to perform in the markets correctly and most likely in a predictable way. Trading is not gambling, not at all. Trading is a type of activity where a person is trading an asset when the probabilities of a direction are very high. So he has the ability to recognize those moments when a probability compared to the other, so a energy of bullishness or bearishness, is having a very strong possibilities of going into a direction. This is when a trader steps in and it is in advantage towards the market, so he's trying to make money with that. That's the whole idea of the process. It's definitely not something that has a very high level of unknown and random outcome at all the times. No, there are situations like that as well. I can confirm that. Been trading since 2014 full time, but the idea is that there are situations where the randomness or the unpredictability is not high, and that makes the spots for the traders. So check out the video to understand how does it work. Register now for a free conversation with me, a one-on-one coaching where I'll take you by hand between 4 to 6 weeks and teach you how to trade on Zoom conversations with homework, with exercises, with everything that is needed. Just like for the completely done for you on the trading side, if you'd like to be part of my trades, you can definitely do so without any prior fees. Just a commission from the profits we earn. Commission is paid by you every 7 days. This is my journey. You can check out the links in the description area, in the comments area for everything. It's completely done for you. We are using our ChatGPT bot for trading. It helps us to perform, it helps us to run the analysis, and it helps for the accuracy side. So it's done through API trading permission, and it's simple, straightforward. I can explain you more. Just reach out to me if you think this is a good option for you. Have a good time around it. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, and we'll talk to you soon.